Hi, everyone, and welcome to our channel all about Wix. Today, we are going to talk about how you can create automations in Wix Studio on a workspace level. Let's get started. On your Wix Studio workspace, go to Client Experience on the left, select CRM and Client Billing, and select Automations. Here, click Create Automation. On this pop-up, you can select a template or you can start from scratch. It depends on what you want to do. Regardless of which you choose, you'll be taken to the Wix automation editor. In my case, I'm just going to select a template. So once you're taken to the automations editor, make sure to rename your automation first. It's essential so that you can easily identify your automation on your dashboard. Moving on, especially if you chose to start from scratch, you need to select a trigger. You can find triggers here on the left. By the way, a trigger is what initiates the automation. Once you select a trigger, you can alter its settings over here according to your needs and preferences. Be sure to click on Apply once you're done configuring it. Now that your trigger has been added, the next thing you need to do is to add an action or to add what you'd like to happen when the trigger goes off. So click on the blinking plus button and then select action. I already have an action right here, but you can choose actions from the left panel as well. So choose what you would like to happen once your trigger goes off. Once you select an action, it should be added right here, such as in this case. And depending on the action you selected, you're going to need to configure further settings here on the left too. So in our case, for example, our action is send an email. That means we have to configure its sender details, edit the email content itself, which, by the way, if we edit, we will be taken to the email editor. So here, feel free to customize your email however you need to. You can use the tools here on the left as well to customize your email. Once you're done, you can try previewing and testing it first, but once it's all good, click Save and Continue. Moving on, you can now set your email type and set your recipients. For your recipients, make sure to select emails from Trigger. Once you're done setting things up, make sure to review all of your settings. And once everything's all good, you can then click on Apply and click on Activate. And your newly created automation should successfully start running. And that's it. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.